you sit.
Wow, such a reaction to a train. Some kids are afraid of trains, but not this one.
I am. Come, train.
Loves them.
No, we're not.
Train.
Who you are?
Train. Train.
What is it, Cam?
Train.
Look at me and say it.
You're there?
Is it a choo-choo train? Say choo-choo train.
Oh,
Choo-choo train.
ready?
Choo-choo train.
Say choo-choo.
Okay.
Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Send me a
Choo-choo.
message. Call me if you get a chance.
Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
No, you can't look. You can't look.
And if I send
My
you a message,
train.
at least acknowledge
My
it.
train.
Jump up and down.
Okay.
Choo-choo. Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Have a good one.
Oh, go.
There's no more gum, Cam.
Where am I going? My train. My train. My train. My train. My train.
Your train?
Cammy. Look at me and say choo-choo. Say choo-choo.
That home. That home.
Cam, say choo-choo. Cammy. Cammy.
Remote control race car? Maybe.
Ooh, cool.
When is your birthday?
September 5th.
Oh, I want you to tell me.
Sorry.
When is it? September? Yeah.
When are you going to go to Texas?
September 4th, 15th probably, or 16th. I want to go.